Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Tutanota Support. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to contact Tutanota Support team, just simply open your Tutanota application. From there, you will get so many options. After logging into your Tutanota mail account, you just simply have to click into the three bars in the top left corner. From there, you will get this icon just above the setting icon. Click into that button, and then you will get the support option here. Now, after coming here, you will get the contact support button. However, you can only use this feature if you are a premium member of Tutanota. You can either choose a plan if you want this feature so desperately or you have some emergency. Otherwise, you can search your problem here. Most of the problems have solutions in this tab. Whenever you have a problem, you can use the search tab, and your problem is most likely going to be solved. By following these very easy steps, you can easily talk to the support team by getting a premium account in Tutanota Mail, or you can use the search tab in the support option. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.